This is Embracing Digital This Week with Darren Pulsifer. This week's top stories. In cybersecurity news, new McStealer macOS malware steals iCloud keychain data and passwords. A new information stealing malware has set its sights on Apple's macOS operating system to siphon sensitive information from compromised devices. MacStealer is the latest example of a threat that uses Telegram as a command control platform to exfiltrate data. Microsoft issues a patch for Acropolis privacy flaw in its Windows screenshot tools. Microsoft released an out-of-band update to address a privacy-defeating flaw in its screenshot editing tools for Windows 10 and 11. The issue, dubbed Acropolis, could enable malicious actors to recover edited portions of screenshots, potentially revealing sensitive information that may have been cropped out. OpenAI reveals a Redis bug behind its ChatGPT user data exposure incident. OpenAI disclosed that the bug in the Redis open source library was responsible for exposing other users' personal information and chat titles in the upstart's ChatGPT service earlier this week. The glitch, which came to light on March 20th, 2023, enabled certain users to view brief descriptions of other users' conversations from the chat history sidebar. In artificial intelligence news, this is a big one. Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and other tech leaders have caused for a pause of the out-of-control AI race. 1,100 notable signatures just signed an open letter asking for all AI labs to pause for at least 6 months immediately. The letter, which is also signed by the CEO of OpenAI, said the pause should apply to all AI systems more powerful than GPT-4. Very convenient. It also said independent experts should use the proposed pause to jointly develop and implement a set of shared protocols for AI tools that are safe beyond a reasonable doubt. Cerebus Systems released 7 new GPT models trained on a CS2 wafer scale system. This is the first time a company has used a non-GPU AI system to train LLMs up to 13 billion parameters and is sharing the model's weights and training recipe via the industry standard Apache 2.0 license. A series of 7 GPT models with 111 million to 13 billion parameters. Typically a multi-month undertaking, this work was completed in a few weeks. All 7 Cerebus GPT models are immediately available on Hugging Face and the Cerebus Model Zoo on GitHub. Google Bard with Wordle. It could have gone better. After correcting the bot and reminding it only to guess 5-letter words, it apologized and returned the word slants. That's 6 letters. Then carried on to a different variation of the word slant. We still have some work to do there, guys. In intelligent edge news, British Telecom has partnered with AWS to test 5G edge computing in Manchester using AWS wavelength. The trial will investigate how edge computing can enhance the performance of BT's 5G network in 3 areas: augmented reality, immersive gaming, and industrial automation. The aim is to improve customer experience by providing faster and more reliable services. The trial is part of a larger collaboration between the two companies to explore edge computing's potential in the UK. Comcast has announced an expanded partnership aimed at improving connectivity in smart buildings and environments. The partnerships include agreements with advanced metering infrastructure providers Census and Building IQ, an artificial intelligence-based energy management solution provider. The goal is to provide smarter energy management, better water management, and improved building automation. These partnerships are part of Comcast's efforts to improve connectivity for commercial customers through its network of Wi-Fi hotspots, sensors, and other IoT devices. That's it for Embracing Digital this week. If you've enjoyed this episode, check out our full-length weekly podcast, Embracing Digital Transformation, and check out our website, embracingdigital.org. Until next week, go out and do something wonderful.